Hi, I'm Priyanka Gautam and welcome to Priyanka's Pathshala. So I'm your jolly phonics and jolly grammar instructor to tell you about a pronoun. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, do hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to know more about this grammar videos. So today we'll discuss what is a pronoun. So there are many types of pronoun like subject pronoun, object pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun and much more. But today we will discuss about the subject pronoun. So first of all, we need to know what is the definition of the pronoun, and we need to always remember the definition of every parts of speech. Okay. So the definition of pronoun is a word which replaces a noun that is called a pronoun. Means we are using a word in the place of noun that is called a pronoun. So our first pronoun is I. That is first person singular. For example, my name is Priyanka. Priyanka is a teacher. Priyanka likes teaching. So, do I need to use my name again and again? No. So, in the place of my name, I will use a pronoun that is I. Like, I am a teacher. I like to teach. I teaches well. Okay. Means in Hindi we can say मैं. खुद के बारे में अगर कुछ बताना है, so you have to use a pronoun that is I. Next pronoun is we. आपके साथ अगर और भी persons हैं and you are going to say about them all, उन सभी के बारे में आपको बात करना है, including you. So you have to use the pronoun that is we. Like we are friends. हम in Hindi we can use the place is we. तो हिंदी में बोलेंगे हम. We are friends. We are family members. We are going together. Okay. Next pronoun is you. You in singular also we can use a you. In plural also we can use you. Now what is a singular and plural? Singular means one. एक इंसान के बारे में बात हो रही है, एक person के बारे में बात हो रही है. We can use that is you. Plural means एक से ज़्यादा लोग हैं. So that time also you can use you. For example, Ram. I'm talking with Ram here. So Ram, you have to listen. Ram, sit on the chair. Ram, do your work. Do I need to use his name again and again? No. So I'm going to replace his name with the pronoun that is you. You have to sit on the chair. You do your work. You write neatly. Okay. If I'm going to say about whole class, 50 students in the class, so them also we can use you, like you all are my good students. You all have to listen this carefully. Got it? You. In Hindi, we are using the different words. हिंदी में हम बहुत सारे अलग अलग नाम यूज करते हैं दूसरी पर्सन से बात करने के लिए. छोटों के लिए हम या तू या तुम बोलते हैं, बड़ों को आप बोलते हैं. But in English, it's very much easy for us. सभी के लिए हम यूज करेंगे you. Okay. Now, third person singular means what? We both are talking with each other, but I want to say about the third person who is not in our conversation, but the person is a male or a boy. So I need to use he for that, for the person. Like my father's name is Vikram Singh. He is an engineer. He is doing his work properly. So again and again, I'm not using his name. I'm replacing his name with the word that is he. I want to say about a girl or a woman. So that time also, we can use the pronoun that is she. My mother's name is Geeta. She is a homemaker. She cooks well. Got it? Now, this is a table. It is my favorite table and it is a round in a shape. This is a dog. It is my favorite dog. It is my pet dog. It barks at me. They. So they we use for the person who are not in our conversation, but they are group of people. We are talking for about them. मतलब वह लोग in Hindi. अगर हम उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, so we need to use they. Like they are my friends, they are my family members, they are my classmates. Okay, so let's repeat in actions for us, for all. So this is I, me, you, आप, we, हम, he for boy, she for girl, it for non-living and animal birds, they for वह लोग. Got it? So I hope you like my video. So do hit the like button and keep waiting for my next video.